We've learned a lot about different key features of the graphs of rational functions. Now we need to put it all together and actually graph the function. So we've got a list of steps here to follow, and there are lots of things to do. So the first thing we need to do is find our domain. That's the very first thing you want to do with any function that you want to graph. You need to know the domain. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to reduce the fraction. So any common factors, you're going to cancel those out. And that is because all these other steps that we do down here are easier with a reduced fraction. Okay. Now those two are the most important to get done first. Okay. These next four don't really matter what order we put them in. Okay, we could find intercepts and then holes and then horizontal asymptotes and then vertical asymptotes. Doesn't really matter, but those need to happen after we've reduced the fraction and we know our domain. And then finally, after we've done all of that, we're ready to sketch. So we've seen all these different things, these different features and how to find them. So this is the process that you can follow, and if you follow this, then you'll always be able to graph your function. After you've gone through these 6 steps, the very first thing you're going to want to do when you're sketching is just draw the things that you know. Okay, so you'll draw the holes and the vertical asymptotes, intercepts, and horizontal asymptotes, right? And then you can connect them, kind of following your asymptotes. And if you're not quite sure where something should be, you can always plug in some test points to give you some more points to kind of to go through and guide you.